Hello guys, what's up, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to share with you how to erase or edit the background of the picture. Alright, so what we are gonna do, we are gonna change this background right here, this beautiful lady right here. Yeah, she's so touching, you got that. So she's so beautiful. So what we're gonna do right now is to change the background. How can we change the background? First of all, I'm gonna change this locked. How I'm gonna unlock it, all right, like that. I already did. Okay, so right now what remains is to change the background. I'm gonna create a blank layer. Down here we have this plus sign right here. At the right bottom there is a plus sign right here. You can simply see that on this pointer. You are seeing pointer, this pointer, right? So let me place it there and click this layer. We have this layer. This layer is a blank layer, right? So what we're gonna do right now is simply selecting. Let me put it down there. So we are going simply to make sure that no, I don't want to do that. So we are going to simply to change the background of this. And to change the background of this picture right here, you can see the background is white, but we need to clean it right here. And let me show you how we can do that. There are 2 or 3 things that you can use, but I'm going to share with you one of the fastest way to remove a background of your picture. So what we're gonna do, there is this thing called object selection tool right here. All you gotta do simply select that, and you can even place it anywhere on your picture right there. Okay, so I will change this this one. I will put it to quick selection tools. Okay, I can simply draw right there. You guys can see that. All right, so right now there's a mistake right here, which means that as long as the picture do not have a similar color or same color, you can see that there are different color there. Though it is yellow, this whatever that she's putting there on her head is different from there. So how can we remove that? We are going to use other way to do that. So first of all, let me unselect this one. I'm going to grab my pen tools right here. This is a pen tool, or I can do other way to erase the background. So let me do it again the same way that we did. Let me use magic wand tools, so I can simply touch it like that, and you guys can see it already selected the place. All right, so all you gotta do is do that, touch it there, and you can see what's up. Let me zoom in and you guys are gonna see what is up there. Let me move these things away from here. Okay, you guys can see that there is a selection there. All right, so all you gotta do right now is to remove that. So let me take these things back again. So here we are going to simply remove the background. There are a way to do that. Simply right click on the picture and then go to feather, and then on the feather you can simply put the radius to 2.5 or 3.0. I can put it to 3.0 or 3 simply, and then select OK. But mine I use 2.5 all the time. Anyway, let me use 3.0 like that. So what we're gonna do next is simply to delete. That's 2 ways to delete it. You can simply press Ctrl and X on your keyboard, or you can simply click delete or press delete on your keyboard. So let me simply use Ctrl X to remove that. So now you guys can see that. And what next, we are going to also to remove other part, this part which are already haven't yet been deleted, so we can remove the other part that which are still remain there. So all you gotta do is put the magic quick selection tools, and then control, you simply click this W or whatever you have there, and right click on it, go to feather selection and 3.0, OK, and then now Ctrl X to remove it. So now we have done. On some part which are still not yet be removed, we can use other tool like quick selection tool by simply pressing that and right click and go to feather, and then OK, and then Ctrl X to remove that part. Now we have done. Let's press that on our keyboard so that we can fit it, our photo on the screen to fit it. So the next move is how can we put any color right there. So today I'm not going to put any image right there. What I'm going to do right now is simply changing the background, change the background to color. And how can we change the background to color? Remember, we have put a layer right here. This layer 1 right here is a layer that we can change into a different color. So all you gotta do is that select the layer there, layer 1, and go to this color selection tool at the bottom right here. So all you gotta do is that click that, which is left click, and go to solid color. We can simply click solid color right there. Let's click that. Now we have that solid color so now we can select the color, any color that we want, dark or whatever color that we need to put there, any color that we feel like. Okay, you can choose any color that you like based on what you love. So let me first do this. Let me put it to this color, or we can put it to any color. Okay, just like that. All right, let me put it to white. You can see that. Or okay, let me come here, let me do that. Okay, you guys can see it. Yep, let me put it something okay, here. Okay, just like that. So when you are done, you can simply click OK, just like that. So now we are done. The next move is how can we put saturation on the picture, like I mean, we can increase the light or reduce the light on this. Let's go to brightness and contrast. I don't want to use this one. Let's simply go to saturation right here. Under this, we can simply do a little bit of this, and let's say, let me try to make it, let me increase it. Okay, you guys can see that. Okay, you can do whatever you feel like. Okay, so depending on how you want your picture to be feel. So here we have yep. So okay, let me bring it back right here. Okay, you guys can see that it already changed the color. So okay, so you can put any color that you feel. Let me simply say that this is the saturation that I love. After that, you can simply close that. The next move is to save it. So to save that, you go to file and go to server. So you simply click save. There are two ways. You can simply save it as a complete project, or you can save it as something that you can edit later. And I don't want to go through that because you guys already know what it is. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, smash the subscribe button right now. And again, if you are new also to my channel and you feel that this video is useful to you, please share it on social media or whatever platform that you want to share it to. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.